Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious butter cake, step by step. First, ensure your oven is preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and prepare a 9-inch round baking pan. Begin by creaming together 1 cup of softened, unsalted butter with 2 cups of granulated sugar until the mixture is light and fluffy. Then, beat in 4 large eggs, one at a time, ensuring each is fully incorporated before adding the next. Finally, stir in 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. Next, in a separate bowl, whisk together 2 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Gradually add the dry ingredients to your wet mixture, alternating with 1 cup of whole milk. Begin and end with the dry ingredients, mixing on low speed until just combined. Be careful not to overmix, as this can lead to a tough cake. Now, pour your perfectly mixed batter into the greased and floured 9-inch round baking pan. Place it in your preheated oven and bake for approximately 30 to 35 minutes. You'll know it's done when a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Once baked, allow the cake to cool in the pan for about 10 minutes before carefully inverting it onto a wire rack to cool completely. Once your butter cake is completely cool, it's time for the fun part. Frosting. You can use your favorite buttercream, a simple glaze, or even just a dusting of powdered sugar. Spread it evenly over the top and sides, and feel free to add sprinkles for a festive touch. This classic butter cake is perfect for any occasion. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Enjoy your delicious homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.